Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need to confirm compatibility first. Many Apple pencils target iPad, so make sure your iPhone supports the specific pencil model. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your iPhone and unlock the screen so pairing prompts can appear. Make sure the pencil has some charge. If it's almost dead, plug or attach it so the device can advertise itself. Now hold the pencil next to the iPhone, stay within roughly 1 meter, and watch for the pairing dialog to begin the handshake. When the pairing prompt appears, tap Accept and follow any extra steps. This exchanges authentication keys so input is secure. If no prompt shows, go to Settings Bluetooth and inspect other devices for the pencil name. Tap it to initiate pairing. For a second-generation pencil, magnetically attach it to the iPhone edge to pair and charge. For a first-generation pencil, plug it in via Lightning or use an adapter, and then accept pairing. Once paired, the pencil will appear as connected in Bluetooth settings. After pairing, test functionality in Notes. Draw, press harder to see pressure sensitivity, tilt for shading, and rest your palm to check rejection. If the pencil is unresponsive, first reboot your iPhone and recharge the pencil. Often a simple reset clears transient faults. If that fails, go to Settings Bluetooth, tap the info icon, choose Forget this device, then repeat the pairing flow. This clears old keys so a fresh handshake can succeed. Finally, make sure iOS is updated if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.